Alright, in this segment we're going to do entering a bill from somebody that's put on an event or what have you. In other words, they gave you a receipt asking for money reimbursement back from the Bears. Alright, so this is the area, this is the vendor area we want. So you can either access this right above where it says customers, the one right on the very top says vendors, or on the top bar here you have customer center and then vendor center. So hit that. Alright, you'll see the layout it's basically exactly the same as what you had for customers for our members. In fact, a lot of the names are very similar to what's in there because it's the same people usually that are doing this. Actually, a word on that is the names cannot be the same. So you notice on some of them they'll either put an initial or it could be just a period. Like here's Chuck's. Actually, it says Chuck Blanchard period. Because you can't have QuickBooks has to have a completely separate name to be able to tell which ones are vendors and which ones are customers. They can't be both. So in this case, this was for curling, and it was for me, Scott Wood. So I'm just going to type S, takes us down to the S's in the list, and you'll see Scott F. Wood. I think my customer name is Scott Wood. So click on that, and you'll see here these are all the bills and checks and stuff like that that have been done. So in this case it's basically a two-part process that I use with this. First of all, you're going to enter in the bill. You'll see right now there's $34.64 that's in here that has not been paid yet, and that's the one here right at the very top. So if you look at that, that was for some checks that we ordered for 100 checks with logo. So in other words, a check has not been cut for this yet. So save and close. We're going to enter a new one in. So just like you do with the customer, you go up to the top, new transaction, click on that, you get the drop down list, and you're really going to have either enter bills or pay bills. So we're going to enter a bill in, and same thing, you get the name up there, you hit return, it fills in all the contact information. Well, I accidentally hit the date thing, so just go back out and hit that, put a invalid character in there, so just put that back in there. Alright, Mountain Dew, I like putting a memo in when you ever can, right on that so it comes out on the check. So curling, so just put that, and then go down to the expenses, I need to fill in a line here, so account, not sure if we have one in here for curling. Yeah, we do. There's one in here for expense. You notice it says expense. You'll see a lot of things that are listed as an expense, as an income. So if it was like a customer buying a curling, it will say income. It's separate. In this case, it's a curling expense. So you hit curling, amount. In this case, it's $134 even. Memo. You can put anything you want that curling for 7 people. And deposit. You don't have to, but you can if you want. Alright, then class, you can put it in a class there for curling if you want. Again, that's optional. And then save and close. Now you'll see that, okay, the $134 bill went to the top of the list here, and if you look at the customer balance, now has changed to $168.64. And that's it.